welcome to the MP Tech Group. Back out in the shop, with Chad, back out in the shop with a fun project. And Chad, this is actually a project you did a few months ago for a customer of ours. And it keeps sticking in my head because it's so interesting and intriguing what we did, and the use case is really fun. So I kind of had you come out and reenact what we did for the customer, which is a scan and print. And it's a scan and print like a lot of our scan and prints where, hey, no PC, no bartender, no nothing else. Just take a scanner, plug it into a printer, scan a barcode, print a label, right? Standalone, don't need all the overhead. Exactly. We've built just tons of these over the years. And we've done them mostly on Zebra printers, but there's other printers we can do this on. We've done it on SATO, we've done it on CAB. So that's what we have here. But the twist on this one is RFID. The customer needed to, they had barcodes, but they needed to encode RFID tags, and they needed it to be mobile. And so you, like you always do, came up with a fun application that you put on the printer to allow all of that to happen. Yeah. So let's see it, show it.
So we're just using Zebra's built-in print station. So format's just loaded on the printer. As soon as we select it, it asks us to scan pack.
Okay.
So that's where they're scanning a barcode on their pallet, on their product, whatever it is.
Okay.
So just as an example.
Hey, scan and print, look at that.
We get a label.
Yeah, except the difference is not only did you print the barcode, but you also encoded the RFID label.
So this label has a human-readable barcode with that information and also encoded with the same information we just scanned.
Okay.
So,
hold on. So you've got an EM45 here that's got a short range,
very short range
RFID reader.
RFID
I don't know if I even need to get these out of the way, but I will. And this is the prove it part. Okay, so you're reading it and you encoded it.
It's exactly what's printed on the label.
Yeah. So the customer had an RFID initiative, right? And it's like, oh my God, how are we going to get RFID labels on all these things? We have barcodes. So you're encoding the part number in there. Is there a unique serial number or anything that's going in there as well? Or are you just using the tag ID?
It's basic. Everything is the same information. So what you see here is exactly what's
encoded in the tag.
Yeah.
So
it's all the same.
I like that when you do an RFID project because that allows you to, hey, sometimes I just can scan the barcode. It's easy. But sometimes I need to read the RFID tag for inventory or locating or whatever.
What if I find it? Do I know what I'm looking at is what I scanned with my RFID?
Yeah, to get the barcode to match to the data that we encoded in the RFID tag. So, Newcastle Mobile Power Cart, Zebra. In this case, it's a big Mac Daddy printer. It's a ZT610. This could be a mobile printer. You could have a hip printer, have this Bluetooth to it, and you could do it that way. So there's all kinds of form factors this could take. This is a super expensive, wide Zebra RFID printer. This is the big one. But you could do it on that 411 back there. We could do it on a mobile printer. We could do it on a little clamshell printer, all kinds of things. So if this is something, if you've got an RFID initiative and you're trying to figure out how you're going to get RFID tags on all these products, Chad's got the answer. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and appreciate you watching today.